So let's say we have a table right here and we have to fill the outcomes, okay? Here, please pay attention now. So this is spinner number 1, alright, and this is spinner number 2. Spinner number 1 has how many outcomes?
1,
2. 2 outcomes. Spinner number 2, how many outcomes? 3, alright? Now we are going to find the total amount of possible outcomes that we can get when we spin spinner number 1 and when we spin spinner number 2, alright? So what will this be? The first one is 1 and 2, right? We can get 1 from spinner number 1 and we can get 2 from spinner number 2, alright? Now what about this one? 1, 3. We can get 1 from spinner number 1 and we can get 3 from spinner number 2, okay? The next one, we can get 1 from spinner number 1 and we can get 4 from spinner number 2. Following that, win and good. Okay, now we are going to go to the bottom part. Let's talk about Ken. What will this one be, Ken? 5 from spinner number 1 and then 2 from spinner number 2. Love, what will this one be? 5 from spinner number 1 and 3 from spinner number 3 and to and B. 5, 4. Very good. Alright, guys. So totally, how many possible outcomes do we have?
6.
We have 6 possible outcomes. Okay. Now let's get to it. What is the probability of the pointers landing on 2 odd numbers? Step number 1. What do you mean by odd numbers? 1, 3, 5, 7, carrying on. What we call odd numbers in Thai? Leg key, alright? So they are looking for both of them being odd numbers or both of them being leg key, alright? So which one are that? Ken? Which one? 1, 3 and then? 5, 3. Is there anything else? No, that's it. Alright. So we got this, right? How will we write the probability as a fraction? 1. That is correct. First it is 2 over 6. When we simplify, what do we have? 1/3. Does that make sense? All understood now? Good? Understand now? Yes. Where it come from? So there are totally 2 possible outcomes for leg key for both the numbers being odd numbers, right? The first one is 1 and 3. The second one is 5 and 3. Now in this one, 1 is an odd number, but 2 is an even number. So this cannot be it. In this one, 1 is an odd number, 4 is an even number. So this cannot be it. The question is asking 2 odd numbers. 2 odd numbers will be these 2. Understood, right? So 2 over the total amount of possible outcomes. The total outcomes are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? So we got 2 over 6, which is 1/3. Now if I want to write this as a percentage, what will it be? Approximately 33.33. So it will be approximately 33.33%. Any question? Sure, now? Okay, perfect. Now let's go to the next one.